Hi guys, Matthew Pierce from Sea Renity Marine. I'm just working on a 4-winds and I thought I'd post a video because lately I'm getting a lot of electrical problems on boats due to corrosion, which seems to be caused by customers or people not doing the job properly. So I thought I'd just give you guys a few handy tips. When you're doing electrical work in an engine bay or outside on a boat, obviously you get bad corrosion if it's not done correctly. There's a few tips I'm going to show you. Basically, when joining wires, okay, like this, you'll see that these are a slightly different electrical terminal. A lot of people use these, okay, which is just basically a standard crimper. I don't know if you can see that there. Okay, they work, but what's going to happen is you're going to get a lot of build-up of corrosion in the ends. Your wires are going to go green and you're going to get faults. Now, when you're working on an engine, they throw up all sorts of alarms and bits and pieces, so I've actually got a wiring harness here that we're doing. So what I recommend is same sort of crimp, but this is called a heat shrink crimp. Okay, so basically what we do is we put them on as you normally do. You crimp them in the middle, okay, and then you get yourself a heat gun, which is here, and basically very simple, you just turn it on, and what you do is you heat up the ends, and basically they heat shrink over the wire and basically make it completely waterproof, air resistant, which basically means no corrosion and basically no problems. Now, if you want to save yourself a lot of money, heavily recommend using these. I'm just going to do both of them so it's all done. Basically, this job here is about 3.5–4 hours of literally just changing corroded wires. So then it's not reading correctly, and we've also got faults and bits and pieces with items not working. So just a little bit of a tip, the connections aren't cheap, they're about $1.50 each, but I tell you what, you know, 4 hours of labour sort of, you know, is not cheap either. Thanks for watching. If you've got any further comments, please comment on the bottom of the video. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the videos for further handy tips to how to save yourself some money, and click the bell as well, which will notify you when I put further videos up. Thanks for watching. Bye now.